Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make frozen gummy bears. First, select your favorite gummy candies. Any brand or flavor works wonderfully. Next, you'll need a baking sheet and some parchment paper. Line the baking sheet with the parchment paper to prevent sticking. Carefully spread your gummy bears out in a single layer on the parchment paper, making sure none of them are touching each other. This small step ensures each gummy bear freezes individually, making them much easier to enjoy later on. It's a simple but important start to a delightful snack. Once your gummy bears are neatly arranged, it's time to move them to the freezer. Carefully place the baking sheet into your freezer, ensuring it's on a flat surface. It's best to have your freezer set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit or about -18 degrees Celsius for optimal freezing. Try to give the tray some space, so cold air can circulate evenly around the gummy bears. For the first hour or two, try not to open the freezer door too often, as this can disrupt the freezing process and extend the time needed. The ideal freezing time for gummy bears is generally between 1 and 2 hours. This duration usually results in a perfectly firm yet still chewy texture. If you prefer them extra firm, you can leave them in for up to 3 hours. Smaller gummy bears, like mini worms, might be ready in as little as 45 minutes. However, for larger or thicker varieties, it could take closer to 4 hours to achieve complete solidification. Always check a few to ensure they've reached your desired frozen consistency before serving. Once your gummy bears are perfectly frozen, it's time to enjoy them. They are best consumed right out of the freezer for that delightful, firm chew. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them from the baking sheet into an airtight container or a freezer-safe bag. This will prevent freezer burn and keep them fresh. You can store these delicious frozen treats in your freezer for several weeks, ready whenever you crave a cool, chewy snack. They offer a wonderfully refreshing twist on a classic candy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.